Okay, what next? Members' reports. If you'd like to present them up to Shani here, and she will collate them and distribute them and do whatever. Anyone got any verbal reports?
I just
Councillor Jollins.
just through the chair, I just wanted to report on a strategic planning community day that Councillor Rankin, Mr Hickling and myself attended in Acacia Bay a couple of weeks back. It was assisted by the council. We've provided a facilitator from Inspiring Communities, and Ms Jakes was there in Helmut as well. And it was a very, very successful session. It's a very engaged community. We had about, what do you reckon, about 30 people there, and we all broke off into different workshops and did a whole lot of brainstorming so that the community was trying to get some sort of mandate and direction on what this community looks like in the future. And it was a very, very worthwhile project, and I just wanted to thank Tina for organising and for bringing along the lady from Inspiring Communities, because she was all about communities taking control of their own destiny, and you build it from the community level up, and it was very well received, and it was great. It was a great Sunday.
Was that the Acacia Bay Residents
No, it was
Association?
Kinloch. Sorry,
Kinloch.
did I say Acacia Bay? Sorry,
Yeah.
not enough coffees.
Kinloch.
You don't have coffees
good.
today. Yeah, that was great.
Great. Thank you, councillors, for doing that. It's going beyond and above. It takes personal time, and so I really appreciate that. Yeah, cool.
Can I just raise that I've had quite a few phone calls about Reeves Farm, which I have talked to the Chief Executive about, and probably everyone else has had it as well, but it's already out of control according to our residents. I can't remember what its new name is, I apologise for that. Lots of complaints about behaviour, washing in the river, all the old things, pooing everywhere, you name it, they're complaining about it. So it is very early, and they ask, what are you going to do? You promised you were going to fix it, what are you going to do? So we've got a problem there already.
I think there's been quite a bit of Facebook activity this week as well. So regular compliance has taken place, obviously, yeah. I called him there last night. It was all calm, apart from one domestic on Hook Falls Road on the way down. The lady was chucking down his backpack, and she said, "You carry it?" "No, I carry it." Anyway, I stopped and asked if they need some help, and they didn't want help.
Very good.
But yes, I don't think it's because of the mover of the away from the river. I think it's just it's a perennial that pops up every year. So it's where we go to in the future, whether we really look at it. We've already done the serious look at it this year, but long term, is it really us or not? I think that's the question you've got to ask. But that seemed to be quite well controlled. Sinjo were down there when I was here, so we're just going to really hammer the compliance.
I think last weekend must have been bad, because that's when I got the calls.
Yes.
So it's just starting for the summer, so we've got our staff, Sinjo and Lisa, are all spending a lot of time down there. I think some of the complaints, you see some of the photos that are through Facebook, some of them, my staff are saying that that's not the situation that they see when they're down there, so they talk about poos and bushes and the like. There's bits of toilet paper that gets blown out of the back of the balloons, and people take photos of that. So there's two sides. I'm not saying it's all that, because there is some disgusting stuff that happens down there as well. So it's a balance, but we can only do what we can do. You've made the decision to keep the thing open for camping. Like last year, I think it was quite successful over that busy period, having full-time security down there. We've got extra portaloos down there at the moment, so we're trying to do everything that we can. Open to any other suggestions if anyone's got anything that might make the situation better.
Do we have facilities to wash the dishes?
No.
Is that a suggestion? A tap where they can wash the dishes? Or in a tube?
We'd have to look at not everything with articulated water down there, so it would be the cost of doing that.
So through the chair, so operationally, we've obviously aware of what's on Facebook, and we're here having complaints as well. So we sent staff straight down there. They doubled them out in but again, just to reinforce what Gareth said, they're not seeing some of the complaints, it's not as bad as what it's made out to be, according to them, so.
Interesting.
And the staff care, it's not like they're
Oh,
making it
yeah,
up,
right.
they go down there angry that they haven't do it, but it's not quite as bad as what. But one thing is too much, so you don't want to downplay it.
Okay, so, yeah, appreciate, we'll just keep a close eye. Actually, that's what I was gonna ask Mr. Fox earlier, security contract, is that coming up shortly?
February, December.
Yes,
December.
Mr. Chairman, it is coming up, I'm not close to it, but I think it's not far away, so we'll-
Yeah, okay. All right,
But I guess the signal, councillor Rankin sending to us, it is heaving, it is pretty full, I've been
well,
past.
it's not holiday time yet, either.
No, but it's
And
full.
it's gonna get worse as from
Yeah.
the 1st of December when your bylaw comes in place.
So is there a maximum point where we have to shut it off?
So there's a capacity, so you're only allowed that top 10, so
Mm.
that controls the capacity for your time, this is full and nobody else can
Yeah.
as they post 1st of December when your bylaw comes, your camping bylaw comes in place, then there's a lot more pressure down there, because that's one of the few places that the sliding door bans can therefore go for free.
Yeah.
So I'd expect it, to be really honest, I'd expect it to get worse.
Isn't there two councils in Taranaki banning all camper vans, all?
Really?
I think there are two.
Taranaki. A bit different down there.
Yeah, I'm going down there tomorrow, pass your regards on.
All right, okay, so where were we? Oh, I've lost it. Hold on.
It's gone.
Yeah, there. Sorry.
Just disappears.
What were we talking about? Members' report, isn't it?
I'll move.
Move,
Second.
yeah, okay. Councillor receives the moved by Councillor Park, seconded by Councillor Williamson. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against, carried.